Good morning, everybody. Happy CPI day to every traders. I wish us all the best of everything we do today. Amen. So, I wish to share this EURCAD analysis for the community to see, and I'll be combining daily time frame and 4 hour charts for this analysis. So, let's just go straight to the point. So I'm seeing a clear selling signal from this chart on EURCAD. So as you can see it here on this daily time frame chart, we had this market structure shift. We move from this high, then we move from this low. We broke below all this support, and we also break the price also break the 50 EMA here on this daily time frame chart. That means the price is telling us one or two story here on this daily time frame chart. So let me use my flip to at least for this one. This was our high and our low. So as you can see it here on this daily time frame charts, the price from here we broke structure to the downside. So we are now trading in between this high and this low. So as you can see what happened, the price has gotten to this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We had this rejection one, another bearish close below the 78.6. Then yesterday again the price tried going up. We see had another push to the downside. That means this zone is a very strong one for the price to pass through, at least for now. So I got my entry on 4 hour chart. I got my entry on 4 hour chart. So when when the price mitigated that 78.6 on daily time frame chart, this is how our 4 hour chart is. We had this push, price rejected from it, price rejected from the 78.6. Then we add this equal highs. As you can see it, we add this equal highs. We add this equal highs. Price rejected from the 78.6, give us this high, give us another equal high. Then price swept this equal highs again, then fell sharply to the downside. So this means that price is telling us that, as we can see it, this really mean something very positive for selling opportunity, because we already swept this equal high and price still reacted to the 78.6, falling to the downside again. So I'm expecting that. Okay, let's go to 2 hour chart. So as we can see it here on this 2 hour chart, one, two, we have this. Then price went down. We break this low. That means we already have a structure shift here on 2 hour chart, because we had this high, we had this low. This was something like a break of structure. Then the demand area that caused this break of structure was broken yesterday with this bearish candle. And as you can see it again, the price also closed below the 50 EMA here on this chart again. So I'm expecting that, okay, the price should come around this other block, because this was the other block. This red candle it swept the previous high of this green candle. So this is my other block. So I'm looking to sell around this other block, and my stop loss is just above all these highs. Let me hold it like this. Okay, okay. My stop loss is just above all these highs, and I take profits. I take profits I'm looking to take off. This one, I'm expecting the price to fall massively to the downside because as you can see it on the power chart, as you can see, we had a very big push to the downside, breaking every support. So we are expecting to make lower low. At least this was something like a retest. So we are expecting a lower low to the downside. And due to what we saw on daily time frame chart as well, we are expecting this price to go down further because at least I'm expecting that price will even touch this 200 EMA, but that one is story for another day. So as the price goes in my favor, I will look to scale. I will look to set my stop loss. I will look to trail my stop loss as the price move in my favor. But I'm expecting that price will even go below this our take profit area only if the market works in our favor. So that is that about that concerning this analysis. I wish us all the best about this very setup. Amen. So I hope I'm able to explain this setup very well. I will go again. We made this high. We had this big push to the downside, breaking below this 50 EMA. So this one is number one confidence for me that okay, I'll be looking to sell. Then I use my F2 again, going from this high to this low. As you can see, we have these too many rejections on this 17.6 level here on daily time frame chart. So on 4 hour chart again, on 4 hour chart, we have this one, two, price swept this equal highs, then fell sharply to the downside on lower time frame chart to 4 hour. As you can see it, we had this high, this low, break of structure. So price has now broken below this demand area that caused this last break of structure on daily time frame chart. If you should check the 1 hour chart again, it's the same thing. So I'm looking to sell just at the retest of this supply area that broke this 2 hour chart on that broke this 2 hour demand area that causes break of structure to the downside on this 2 hour chart. My stop loss is just above the 78.6 and above all these highs. So I wish all of us, I wish me, my family, all the best in life. Amen.